Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Let's talk a little bit more about a meta-specific tool. If you're still running some Facebook and Instagram campaigns by stacking dozens of narrow interest tags using all last click tracking between 3 different applications you should reply to customer messages, you're burning yourself and wasting time. So I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way the entire meta landscape step by step, how to navigate the updated suite, and how to build a high converting conversion ad campaign. So the unified meta ecosystem, the most easiest way to understand is to go for the modern meta platform architecture. So the workspace tool is the primary business function. It has some key update features, and there's the Meta Business Suite, there's the Meta Ads Manager, there's the Events Manager, and there's the Meta AI Assistant. If you go straight forward for Meta Business Suite and hit for the element that says Get Started, this will be leading you into the business.facebook.com, a place where you can start, let's say, managing your actual business. You can managing both Instagram and Facebook. Even you can manage your WhatsApp account, I believe so. So directly inside here, what you can see are the actual tools that the Meta business has to offer to us. There's the Commerce Manager if you wanted to sell stuff into Facebook. There's the Events Manager, so you can track the events from your specific ads or website or URL that you chose. There's the Audience, so you can manage your audience. There's the billing and the payment, and there's the Ads Manager Center. So you can be checking that information and manage your own campaigns from Facebook and Instagram. So the most easiest way to get started with the Meta is to understand a little bit more about think of it, for example, like how to manage your organic content to speak to your customers, while the Ad Manager is like the raw growth engine. So my first component is the mastering my Meta Business Suite. So when you open the Meta Business Suite, this is the completely free and actually comment center. Your top priority here is the unified inbox. Here is my actual unified inbox where you can check out everything about Instagram, everything about Facebook. You can manage everything about your Messenger, your Instagram, your Facebook comments, your Instagram comments, all in just one place without having to leave it, right? So you don't have to open your applications into your mobile device because everything is directly inside here. The section into the comments is one of my biggest elements that I love so far, because here I can manage my own post and I can schedule post when I click here into my actual element that says generate my actual post. So I can generate post 2, here's the media, here's the text, here's the button, here's my schedule, here's the shot 2, here's the privacy settings, and I can check out more stuff. Here's our stories that I can be adding into both my Facebook and Instagram. A/B test from one specific post to check out which one works for the best. You can check out the mentions and the tags. Everything that has to go and straight away with the content is directly inside here. The creative marketplace is not that important, but basically here is an amazing place to get started and driving some specific content to, let's say, for example, to work with specific creators. And you can, let's say, for example, making some deals, so into the future they can be working out together and start by, let's say, for example, making some affiliation stuff or whatever. Basically those elements actually works really fine. And now lastly, for example, is the actual planner. The planner will be telling you all the stuff that you have be adding directly into your in this case your calendar. So for example, let's say next week I will be adding an actual post, a scheduled post, or even create an actual reel, or even schedule an actual ad, which I think is going to be really awesome. So if you've skipped, for example, to the paid acquisition, will be the element that says the ads. The ads is a place where you can run ads, reach new customers, save some time, and let's say, for example, get more potential people who will be more likely to purchase your actual products. So let's get started with something really easily, which is a conversion campaign. When you hit into the element that says get started with an actual campaign, it's going to be asking you how would you like to get started. You wanted to promote a page, you wanted to get more calls, you wanted to get more views, you wanted to get more visitors into your website, or just to boost in a specific content into the element you chose. Usually what I do is to get more website visitors, since I wanted to get started from actual URL that I currently have, which is much more faster. Now the artificial intelligence of the Meta can be helping you to manage your post and try to look for the right audience, but I do not recommend this even though you are a beginner, because sometimes Facebook doesn't know which is your actual audience, so you're going to be losing a lot of money if you let Meta do that for you. So into my ad creative is going to be asking you what is the actual ad that you would like to use. So you can have your own media in here. You can add your own video, your images, whatever. I strongly suggest you that you want to be creating some ads. You stick around with videos, which is much more engaging, much more faster, and more let's say incentivized to make some sales. So this is just an example. I'm not going to be doing this with this specific mouse, but this is just an example. So into my headline, you can generate an actual button label. For example, contact us, download, learn more, shop now, whatever. Here's my website URL, and here you can add additional content. Now the advantage creative, I will be deleting this element because, as I just told you, Facebook doesn't understand your actual audience. You want to do this on your own. Now into the audience, instead of going for the advantaged audience, I go for the elements as people you choose through targeting. And inside here, usually what I do is to focus for all the genders and look out for ages from 18 to the people who are more likely to check out your actual product. Let's say, for example, 80 to 40. And into my locations, I like to add only 3 countries that are more likely to purchase my actual products. For example, United Kingdom, Mexico, and even, let's say, for example, Canada. Now, the more accurate you are, the more chances you're going to be earning, let's say, some sales, some clicks, right? And into the right section, you can get like an estimate daily results, like something you might be expecting. So today, at the end of the day, you're going to be getting, for example, up to 26 link clicks, and it's going to be up to you to earn your first sales inside that, right? So you can schedule your actual, in this case, your ad. You can check out your daily budget. Usually what I do is to run from $2 to $3 daily, which is much more economy. And let's go for the actual placements. The more money you get, the more estimate daily results you're going to be earning, right? So there you go. Now the placements, usually what I do is to delete all those placements and only look out for the element here that says stories, which is much more faster. Then you added your payment method and go for published. When you finish with all of these elements, you can head over directly into the ads manager, so you can manage your ads and check out how it actually looks, the campaign that you have run so far. Usually what I do is to wait up to 5 days to check out the actual results of my campaign and see what actually come great and what actually didn't come that great, so I can be making changes inside this active campaign, so I can be earning a little bit more results, or let's say different results from what I got so far, because at the end of the day, it's going to be having like a learning curve, this specific ad campaign. This is a really easily solution and a really easily way of how you can actually get started with Meta Business Suite. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and well, see you guys next time.